Did you know a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? And that's not even the wildest thing about them. Their famous pink color actually comes from the pigments in the algae and crustaceans they eat. So, they're literally what they eat. Speaking of crazy animals, ever heard of the immortal jellyfish? This tiny creature can revert to its earliest form and grow up all over again, essentially living forever. Imagine hitting a reset button on your life. And it's not just animals. The Leaning Tower of Pisa? It was never straight. The foundation was unstable from the very beginning of its construction in the 12th century. It's been leaning for over 800 years. Mind blown yet? There are so many unbelievable things in our world. If you love discovering crazy facts like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.